All right, everybody. I'm just going to show you some quick things with the FieldEdge app to get you going as a helper. All right, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to search and download FieldEdge app from the App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on what type of device you have. And then you're going to find and open that app. The icon looks like a little green box, FieldEdge, and you're going to open that up. You're going to enter your email address and your password that was sent to you to access the system, and once you enter your information, you're going to go ahead and hit sign in. And once you sign in, it has to sync with the database. The first time you do this, it will take longer as it's downloading all the initial data that it's never downloaded before. Once you open the app back up, as long as you haven't signed out, then it will not have to do this long synchronization process. It will be much shorter. So once you've signed in, you are here, and you will see the first call that I have assigned to me is Charles Xavier. Now, the first thing you're going to do once you get to the shop, or once you get to your first call for the day, but as a helper, it's going to be going to the shop. Down at the bottom right, you see a grayed out clock. What you're going to do is you're going to need to hit that in order to clock in for the day. You can also use this little 3-bar menu up at the top, and that will give you an option to clock in out as well. So you see your first work order is Charles Xavier. So what you're going to do is you're just going to click that once you're ready to head to that job. So once you're in the truck and y'all are leaving, you go ahead and click Charles Xavier, and it will say work order status, would you like to mark it to traveling? You're going to go ahead and hit yes if you are traveling. If you just wanted to see what you were doing, you could click no if you were still at the shop and just waiting for your driver to take you there. And you're going to see all of the history here. You can click on and look at the history in more detail, and you can go through everything just to see exactly what it is. All you do is click on the individual options down at the bottom to see something in case there's a lot more notes. Now, once you are at the job, you've driven for 10-15 minutes, however long it takes you to get there, you're going to go ahead and hit that blue truck, and you're going to click that, and it will bring up a menu, and you're going to go ahead and mark it working. Once you are done with the job, you're going to go ahead and click the purple wrench, and you're going to hit complete. And that removes the item from your list, and you're going to see the next thing that's scheduled on the schedule. And again, this will match the install or the technician that you're riding with. This will match theirs as well, so they'll be going through the same process, except theirs is a little bit more in depth. Now, once you're ready to head to the next call, you're going to go ahead and hit the next call, and just to repeat the process over and over again. So we're going to go ahead and mark this yes, and we're going to be able to see all of the information that we have here. And we can see we have the history for what we're doing, what's going on, and everything else that's happened with this call. So we are headed there, and we get there, and we're going to go ahead and hit that blue truck again, and we're going to select working. And now that we've worked there for an hour or two, or however long it took us to take care of this, we're going to go ahead and hit complete. So we're going to go to the purple wrench again, and we are going to hit complete. And then we're on our third call of the day, and we're going to go ahead and head to VJ Singh, and we're going to go ahead and mark it traveling again. And once we get there, we are going to hit the blue truck, and we're going to hit working. Now, once maybe we're there for 5 hours and we have to stop to eat lunch, and we're not going to finish the call. All you need to do in order to go to lunch is you just go there to the menu at the top left and hit clock out, and you will see it changes the work order status to pending, a green box again. So then you can go ahead, and when you're going back from lunch, you can do one of two things. You can either clock in and then go back, and once you get back to the job, mark it working. Or alternatively, you can skip the clock in process this time, and you can simply just mark the job working, and it will clock you in automatically. Now, once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and hit complete again. And we're going to head to our last call, and we're going to go ahead and mark that traveling again. And we're going to mark it working. And once we're done, we're going to go ahead and complete it. Now you're done for the day. Your lead technician needs to drive you to the shop. And once you get to the shop, all you need to do is clock out. And again, you don't have any work orders assigned for the day. You are finished and you are clocked out and you can go home.